In this video, we're checking out the best. A tiny spill can ruin a peaceful home moment. Soft pause, busy mornings, and life's little messes happen daily. Still, you deserve a space that feels fresh again. Meet the Bissell Little Green Mini, your gentle cleaning companion. Compact enough to tuck away, powerful enough to shine. It fits easily in cabinets, closets, and small corners. No bulky machine, no struggle, no wasted storage space. Just grab it when life leaves a mark. From sofas to stairs, it reaches where dirt hides. From car seats to pet beds, it cleans with care. Its lightweight design makes every cleanup feel easier. Carry it upstairs, into the garage, or outside. Move freely, clean quickly, and breathe a little easier. Spray, scrub, and lift away messes in one motion. Stubborn stains don't stand a chance against its deep cleaning power. Coffee drips, muddy prints, and pet accidents disappear faster. It helps refresh fabric surfaces without overwhelming your routine. Your favorite couch can feel loved again. Your car interior can feel cared for again. Even the pet bed gets a fresh new start. Every clean surface brings comfort back into daily life. The included tough stain tool targets messes with precision. Its removable lens helps you see cleaning progress clearly. HydroRinse makes hose cleanup simple after every use. No complicated maintenance, no added frustration, just thoughtful design that supports real homes. Bissell even includes an 8-ounce Little Green formula. It helps remove stains and everyday household odors instantly. Your rooms smell cleaner, softer, and more inviting. That fresh feeling can change the whole mood at home. For pet owners, it feels like a quiet lifesaver. For parents, it means fewer worries after busy days. For drivers, it restores pride in every ride. For homeowners, it protects the comfort you've built. It doesn't just clean carpet, it cleans upholstery, fabric surfaces, and everyday mess zones. It helps remove dander, dust, and pollen allergens too. That means a sanctuary that feels truly cared for. A cleaner home can feel calmer, warmer, and kinder. And when the cleanup is simple, peace returns sooner. This little machine carries a big promise of relief. Designed for the messes life brings, gently and effectively. Built for homes that hold love, pause, and memories. Made for people who want beauty without the burden. Every detail supports an easier cleaning experience. Every feature helps you reclaim your favorite spaces. Every purchase also helps save pets in need. Bissell supports Bissell Pet Foundation with heartfelt commitment. Since 2011, millions have helped create second chances. Your purchase becomes part of something bigger. Cleaner homes can also mean brighter futures. That's a beautiful reason to feel good. A cleaner couch, a cleaner car, a kinder world. Small enough to store, strong enough to matter. Simple enough to use, powerful enough to trust. It's the helper you reach for again and again. When spills happen, you'll feel ready instead of overwhelmed. When stains settle in, you'll know what to do. When guests arrive, your home will welcome them warmly. When your pet curls up nearby, comfort stays intact. That's the quiet gift of reliable cleaning. Less stress, less mess, more time enjoying home, more confidence in every room and every ride. More love in the spaces that matter most. Little Green Mini turns cleaning into a comforting habit. A small tool can make a tremendous difference, especially when life is full of beautiful, messy moments. Bring back the freshness your home deserves. Give your car, sofa, and pet spaces new life. Choose the cleaner that cares for your home and pets. Bissell Little Green Mini keeps comfort within reach. Freshen the mess, protect the space, and save the pets. Order yours today and clean with heart. You can check today's best price from the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite gadget.